Have you ever heard of the glycocalyx? Chances are neither has your doctor. Next time they mention statins or cholesterol, drop this little gem on them. You might just catch them off guard. If you're new to my channel, I'm Brian, and after spending 3 decades in the traditional healthcare field where algorithms and narratives often overshadowed individualized patient care, I decided to shake things up. I traded my conventional medical practice for a role as a health coach. Why? Because sometimes the most important health discoveries aren't found in standard medical textbooks or treatment protocols. They're found in the overlooked corners of medical research where fascinating mechanisms like the glycocalyx have been quietly revolutionizing our understanding of cardiovascular health. My journey from traditional healthcare to health coaching taught me something crucial. The body's wisdom often extends far beyond our current medical paradigms. The glycocalyx story is a perfect example of how focusing solely on conventional markers like cholesterol might mean missing the bigger picture. So let's dive into one of medicine's best kept secrets. Ever tried to hold on to a slippery fish? That slick protective coating is its glycocalyx. But guess what? Your arteries have their own version of this slick shield. The term glycocalyx literally means sweet husk, like the silk on an ear of corn. But instead of protecting corn, it's guarding your vascular health. This isn't just some biological fluff. It's a crucial gel-like layer made from polysaccharides, sugars, and glycoproteins, sugar on proteins, acting as the coating for your blood vessels. It's your artery's first line of defense, keeping the harmful junk in your blood from touching the delicate cells beneath and invading them. But here's the twist. This protective layer can get damaged, setting the stage for arterial disease. What's the biggest threat to your glycocalyx? It's high blood sugar. Yes, those carbs you enjoy can be your vascular system's worst enemy. Just a few hours of high blood sugar can start peeling away this protective layer, which is directly tied to conditions that lead to microvascular disease such as diabetes and insulin resistance, epidemic in the United States. But here's where it gets fascinating. Your glycocalyx can heal itself. With the right tools, the glycocalyx can repair itself in 1 second. The star player, a protein called albumin that's already in your blood. However, when albumin levels dip, your heart disease risk nearly doubles. With the right tools, the glycocalyx can repair itself in 1 second. That's a game changer for heart health. Now, how do you keep your glycocalyx in top shape? Enter chondroitin sulfate, known more for joint health, but also a friend to your blood vessels. Studies like this one from Madrid in 2021 show that chondroitin sulfate can reduce cardiovascular disease risk by supporting this protective barrier. Why isn't this common knowledge? When the cholesterol hypothesis took center stage, the glycocalyx was still under the radar. It wasn't until much later that its role in preventing conditions like atherosclerosis became clear. So while everyone's talking about cholesterol, the real hero might just be your glycocalyx. Understanding this could change how you think about heart health. It's not just about cholesterol. It's about protecting this incredible barrier that nature has given us. Stay tuned for more on how damage to the glycocalyx leads to heart disease and what you can do about it. If you found this enlightening, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who cares about their heart health. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Bye.